Here is the video for the 2023 EV6 Wind rear-wheel drive. This car has the upgraded technology pack, as you can see by the camera. That technology pack will include things such as surround view monitor, blind spot monitor, and parking assist. You have a sleek design of the charge port. Very spacious trunk. Tire mobility kit. This will have the upgraded sound system. USB built into the seats, as well as a V2L in the rear. You are going to have memory seats, as well as power folding. Navigation and climate control. It's going to be ventilated and heated. USB as well as a ton of storage space below. Wireless charging.